Hello and welcome. This is Supreet Singh Kalo and you're watching Editor Saab Official. Donald Trump has been found guilty of his charges but will not face any jail time or penalty because he has been elected President of the United States and will take oath to the country's highest office on January 20th, a post that brings with itself an immunity of being above the law while in the office and beyond. Donald Trump became the first felon in the White House after a US court upheld his conviction in a hush money case. He has been sentenced to an unconditional charge for covering up unaccounted payments to the porn star Stormy Daniels. Now Donald Trump returns to the White House for a second term as a president of the US. He has tried his best to stop the criminal proceedings against him, but had to face a huge setback when the US Supreme Court had ruled that this sentencing could proceed. Falsifying business records on which he was convicted in May 2024 carried potential jail time. The judge could do a little about it, ending up having to spare the president-elect. Should he not have been the president, Donald Trump would have been jailed for a term of 4 years. Instead, he will now return to the White House as a president for another 4. During the course of the proceedings, however, Donald Trump had to sit and see witness after witness testify against him of how he had fraudulently covered up illicit payments to the porn star Stormy Daniels in an effort to stop her disclosing their tryst ahead of the 2016 presidential election, which he ultimately won. Donald Trump did not even attend the session of the court in person, choosing to do so virtually, knowing well that he would not be sent to jail. New York Judge Joan Merchant, delivering the sentence, said that this court has determined that the only lawful sentence that permits entry of a judgment of conviction without encroaching on the highest office of the land is an unconditional discharge. Judge went on to say that never before has his court been presented with such a unique and remarkable set of circumstances. With the Constitution protecting the highest office in the United States, there was no other option for the judge than to give an unconditional discharge to the former president. Any other judgment risked encroaching the presidential immunity accorded to the country's highest post. Thank you very much.